Depending on which columns you select, your SQL queries can often return duplicate rows. This is especially common in large datasets where the same values appear across multiple records. Today we're looking at 3 ways to clean those results up. First, let's look at our data. We have 3 dogs here. Notice that we have 2 different dogs named Bark, one with the last name Smith and one named Jones, and both happen to be 10 years old. If we run a query selecting only the first name and age, we get 2 identical rows for Bark, age 10. This is technically correct, but sometimes you might not want to see duplicate rows. Fortunately, we have several options for removing duplicates. The most common solution is the distinct clause. By adding the distinct keyword, SQL evaluates the entire row and removes any redundant duplicates. Now, we only see 1 entry for Bark. Another way to achieve this is with the group by clause. This groups the results by the columns you specify, effectively collapsing duplicates into a single row. A big advantage of using group by is that we can easily add a count function. This tells us exactly how many duplicates were found and collapsed for each group. If you're using PostgreSQL, you have a third, more powerful option, DISTINCT ON. This allows you to deduplicate based on a specific column while still returning other unique columns. In this result, we deduped based on the first name only. It kept the first Bark it found, which was Bark Smith, and ignored the second one even though the last names were different. Compare that to a standard distinct query. Because Bark Smith and Bark Jones have different last names, a standard distinct call would show you both rows as unique. Distinct On gives you much finer control over how duplicates are identified. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more SQL tips. You can find all the code snippets used in this video via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.